scrappy peeps, and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. This might be the last one for a while. I am taking a break from YouTube. It's just taking up a lot of my time, and I've really got to look at my priorities and where I want to be spending my time. And I'm one of those creators who is also kind of getting a little frustrated with YouTube. It is what it is. I accept it as it is, but at the same time, it's a little disheartening, isn't it? So I will still be creating. I will still be posting pictures on my Facebook at Pixie Craft Co. and on the blog, on my blog. So if you want to just kind of still see what I'm doing and keep track of the projects I'm on, you can go ahead and head over there. I will still be posting videos from time to time because it is something that I truly do enjoy doing. I enjoy like sharing things with you guys and maybe possibly inspiring you to be creative. Like, I enjoy that, but it's going to be when I have the time to do it, and life gets in the way sometimes, doesn't it? All right, so for today, I wanted to talk about Snap Click Supply Company. This is a website that I have talked about so much, and I love it so much. You can get really inexpensive digital products that you can then upload into your Cricut design space and make your own die cuts. Do some nice hybrid scrapbooking and crafting. Definitely sign up for their website or for their newsletter, because they will let you know whenever they have deals, and they do have sales quite often, and I take advantage of it. So one of the things I love about SnapClick Supply Company is just all the different choices. They have all of these different designers. I mean, you can get Basic Gray, Cartabella, Cosmo Cricut, like all of these different Prima Marketing, these companies that have put together kits and digital kits. So these are like the same kits that you can get in physical form, like if you go to your craft shop, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, wherever. But this gives you the ability to use these how you want to. You can purchase a personal use or a commercial license for these. So if you're going to be making projects that you're going to sell at like a craft fair, it's nice to have that commercial license, so everything is above board and you're giving your royalties and credit and everything where credit's due and all that. All right, so another thing I love, they partner with Echo Park Paper Company. And you know what Echo Park Paper Company does? They do Disney inspired collections. So I can go over here. Let's go down here to the Magical Adventure pack. So this is, they've got a whole set. You can see there's more down here. Paper packs, of course digital paper packs, and different elements that are magic, Mouse and Me, like Disney themed. They have two different sets. There's the Magical Adventure set here, and then there's another one. I can't remember the name of it. Let's see if it'll pop up. I already have it, and I've been doing some scrapbooking with it. Let's see, okay, that's looking within there. Let's go back here to digital collections and see if I can get a better thing. But I love it. If you've been following me recently, you will have seen me do a lot of Disney scrapbooking that isn't necessarily Disney. So it's not like in your face Disney themed. So this is what I love. So here we go. I just typed up magic, and this is all of the magic. You can't see it, but I'm doing air quotes. Little designs. Oh, I love this. That's cute. But that looks like it's an actual die set, but yeah. So lots of different things. Okay, so yeah, that is a die set, but you can definitely get digital. Here we go. We'll just click on digital products and get that going. So all right, here are all these digital products that you can choose from. You can go ahead, add them to your cart, download them. They usually come in zip files, unzip them, and then just load them into your Cricut design studio or whatever program that you're using, whatever digital die cutter you have, and then you can go ahead and print and cut out all of these wonderful images. And I'm not seeing the other one. Yeah, it's magical memories. So that's one. Oh, those are fun too. But you see, there's just so many options. And again, I love Echo Park, um, and Cartabella, and like so many things. And this gives you the ability to go ahead and print and cut as many as you want. You can size them to whatever size you want. You can print and cut them on whatever material you want, as long as your printer and your Cricut or your Silhouette, whatever, supports it. That's very important. So I love that. I love having the option. I've taken these sets and like these papers, you can go ahead and upload them into your design space as patterns, as background patterns, and then you can use them. And I've used these in making my own planner printables. So that's fun, isn't it? It's pretty awesome. So what you do, you open up your new project, you come over here to upload your images, you can browse. I usually do two separate windows, and then I'll just drag and drop. So here, let me show you some of the stuff that I have just been adoring. All right, there's this Capture Life set. Let's open this window up so maybe, possibly, you can see it. I mean, look at some of these images. Look at this guy. I love that little Instamax camera, like the Polaroid. Like, it's so cute. So many images, and that's from the Capture Life from Echo Park. Like, and I can print and cut that however many times I want. I can make it a die cut, I can make it a sticker, I can make it whatever size I want, and it's great. And that's what I love about it. All right, so that is it for today. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and check out some of the wonderful, fun stuff that I have recently found. Here we go. I can show you the big picture of all of these. So these are more of the Capture Life. There's this fun alphabet here. I don't know that it's going. That's going to take too long. Ain't no one got time for that. We're trying to make this, you know, short and sweet and everything, but I'm getting excited. Here we go. Let's try extra large. All right, so this alphabet, when I uploaded it into my Cricut Design Space, it's going to cut around each one of these letters. So imagine that printed on sticker paper. Like, so much fun. These would be perfect for your Project Life albums. Like, so much fun. And they're fantastic to do in like your regular traditional scrapbooking too. Little hearts, more of the little cameras, page flags, just tons of stuff. And again, this is the Capture Life embellishment kit. I go ahead generally and just get the embellishment kits because that's what makes more sense for me. So lovely, lovely things. Tags. What can I say? I've got a soft spot for cameras and even like the little Viewmaster things. Tons of frames. Again, so much stuff. I love this. I love the typewriter. I love the Project Life art. I love it all. I really do, which is why I'm sharing it with you, right? Um, so let's see, what else? I have a boy, all right? He's 14 now, but I am so behind on scrapbooking that I'm still kind of scrapbooking little boy stuff. So this is Imagine That from Echo Park Paper Company. They have Imagine That Boy and Imagine That Girl. And there's these three kits, three element kits. You can also get the paper packs too. But these are just so fantastic. It kind of covers everything. You've got robots, you've got space and galaxy, you've got superpowers, you've got cars. Like, it really, flight. I love this one. Awesome-O-Meter. That's great. No bad guys allowed. I mean, I just love it. They're all color coordinated, so I mean, you can be set. You can do an entire album with this set and have everything taken care of. Love it. Love it. Little space. You got some puppies. You got a super bear. Another camera. Love the camera. Love that. It's the little things in life. And then I also found this because mermaids are so big right now. Am I right? But yeah, Shell, yeah, Dream Big Little Mermaid. I plan on making planner stickers out of these guys. And I mean, it's a merman. Mermen are not often represented. They get no love, really. It's all about the mermaids, right? All right? They must be, oh, I love that. That's so cute. Um, it must be so sad that they're just not getting the attention. Give the mermen some love too. And then we've got science fair because my guy, he's definitely a science and technology nerd. I love it. That's where the future is. So his future is going to be bright. He recently got into a special school where he can get a his high school diploma as well as an associate's degree all during his high school career. So ninth through 12th grade, he can get all of that, and it's amazing. It's a brand new school up here, so we'll have to see how everything goes. And I'm sure there's going to be some kinks that they're going to have to work out, but it's pretty amazing, and I'm obviously so very happy and proud of him. All right, here's this one, which I just love. There's just so much, and there's something for everyone. So you've got all these different like alphas, and like these are just like perfect things just to have, to just pull out and like pop onto your scrapbook layouts. It just so lovely. Just so much goodness, so much goodness. And then this one also had like the little like kind of a project life card sorta, but I love it. I love it. It kind of reminds me if Tim Holtz had a sister. Like this is probably the stuff that she would do, right? All right, so that is it. I've shown you plenty, but there's so much more on the website. Go check out Snap Clip Supply Company, and yeah, that is it. Until next time, happy creating and crafting and scrapping and all of that jazz. Remember, if you want to continue to follow my work, you can head on over to my blog or my Facebook page. Those will be linked in the description bar below. And that's it. Bye.